Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack RAR and zip files using app called Rar on your Blackview BL6000 Pro 5G. So in order to do that, we'll need to locate the file that we want to unpack, and mine is located in DCIM and then camera. Here's the pictures.rar. Simply click on the file that you want to unpack. If the files are encrypted by a password, you'll need to enter it right now. So for me it's 123, very simple password. I think I just typed it in wrong, but now we have the access, and now in order to unpack the files, there's actually a few ways. If you want to unpack everything, click on this arrow pointing up, and that way you will unpack entire folder, or select any file that you want. You can choose any, you don't need to select everything, and then press this arrow pointing up if the files are ready. Now selected, here you'll be able to customize the extraction options, and the first thing is to click on browse, and here enter the destination for the files where to go, and for me it's gonna go for the movies. Click OK. Next up we have the settings for unpacking, and here we have ask before override without prompt, or skip existing files. You can also enable to keep broken files, do not extract paths, or display extracted files. So now when this is ready, we can press OK, enter the password again, click OK. The files will be unpacked, and now let's see them in the movies folder. Here they are, and then they are in like they should, in a proper image state. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.